All right, we made it. We're here at the Oceanfront Lodge. Mark's still figuring out what he's packing or bringing up, but we're just gonna bring our suitcases for tomorrow. Gotta get all situated. Wait till you guys see this view. It doesn't look that good from this side, you know, on the street, but it's ocean view. It's named that not for nothing. So let's see what it looks like right on the other side. No, oh dang it, Oceanfront. I knew that, Oceanfront Lodge.
Oceanfront Lodging.
Got him. Noggin. We're in here with our luggage and Marcus. Looks like he's doing his laundry at home. Wait, he doesn't do that. My mom still does. Look at that view. I don't even know if you can see it. Is that gorgeous? Oh. Ah. No. Ooh. Oh, that's still beautiful. I mean, we're a little bit far, so like we don't get the perfect view, but listen, I'll take it. That's still gorgeous. That's awesome. I can't complain for $150 a night or whatever, $160. That's cool though. All right, let's get situated and let's figure out what we're doing. Quick room tour. We got the 2 beds. We got a closet. We got a bathroom. Let's see what this bathroom looks like. Oh, okay, once I find it. Whoa, look at the bathroom. And then there's us. What's up? All right, we're gonna find a place to eat and we'll see you guys once we figure that out. Oh, my hands are so cold. All right, let's go.
Mark said he's gonna meet us at the lighthouse. We're going.
We're going. He said he's gonna meet us.
See ya.
Did he see us?
Go by.
He's us. Damn it. What are you doing? You said you were gonna meet us. Yeah. All right. All right, get in. Really, get in. I'm freezing, and do you see this? Look at this. Enter at your own risk. High tide and winter storm increase the hazard. Between 15 rescues were at 10. But I got your bum. Oh, a little scoop. Wow. Well, I got my boots on. That's what they're for. Before stepping in poop. I just really want to come out here to take photos of this lighthouse. But of course it's cloudy as crap and this is the sunset.
Oh, can you walk up there?
Yeah. Yeah, you can walk up there. Yeah. I mean, you'd have to go up there and make sure the high tide doesn't come in while we're walking up there. Wow. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, we went. Did we go there first, or did we get disc golf in Florida first, though?
We did Florida a couple of holes.
Yeah, just a couple holes. Yeah, when we were at John, we did all the holes. Yeah, we did. All right, let's get into some cinematic shit. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go and get something to eat at this brewery place.
I'm excited.
Yeah, this Sarah picked this place out, so it's all on her if it's good or bad.
Well, you chose last time. Nah, it was not very good.
It was good, but you just got a wrong thing on the menu. All right, so we're heading out to that brewery place and we'll pick up with you guys there. Let's go. Here we are. Where are we at again? We're at the Seaquake Brewing Company. Or just Seaquake Brewing. All right, let's go check what they have for food. Oh, so hungry. This looks like a small town, like this is where everybody goes. It's cool though. An outdoor dining area. We're sitting outside, it's so beautiful. Look at my girlfriend, we're right next to the fire. We got these like lights from above. Oh, look at my girlfriend. So beautiful.
Keep showing me. Look how cute he is.
Oh, what?
How cute you are.
It's a video.
How does it taste?
Oh, it's a video. I'm over here posing. It tastes kind of winey.
Yeah.
Wine.
Just like you.
Yep, whiny. Had to put him next to the frickin' fire because he's freezing.
It's warm now. Oh, so good.
So good. I'm excited.
Are you
Look
excited?
how good these fries look.
Oh, whoa. You know, here with Unboxing Live with Mike and Sarah, we be balling out on them desserts, though. Hey, babe, spoon me. In bed.
Big spoon or little spoon?
Always big spoon.
Nah. Little spoon.
Whatever. Oh my god. All right, we made it. Welcome to Oregon. Oh my god, it is so cold and brisk, but yet so refreshing, isn't it?
Yeah, it feels
Saying
good.
brisk.
Brisk and refreshing. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
We still have a lot of hikes to do here in Oregon, so let's go. Come on, let's send it. Look how gorgeous you are, baby. Made it. We're here at the Samuel H Corridor. My girlfriend's somewhere behind me. Look what I got her. Since you saw it already, we're gonna take some cute photos down here. It's gonna be so amazing. Whoa, you guys just take the view in. Wow. At least we don't have to walk far for this little safety area. This is a really sketchy place to hike, so definitely bring a buddy, or not do it at all. Like, just taking the view. Like, I would really highly suggest doing what we're doing, just taking in the view and checking this out. It would be so cool. I really wanted to go down there with her, but like, people die. And it's a moist day, so like, I'm just not sure. Oh my god. Oh. I don't even think this GoPro can do this justice.
How did I know? How did I know?
So we're adventuring past that little safety area that I said we were going to just stay at. Be careful. It's a curse. Just be careful, everybody. All right, you too. Everyone be safe. All right, we'll catch you guys when we get closer. Oh, this guy looks like he's chopping up the road here. Oh. Be careful. Hello, how you doing?
Are you guys looking for that viewpoint too?
Oh, we're just walking, trying to be safe. We heard this is the safer side to walk, but maybe not.
I don't know. I think there's lots of places you go in and jump off a cliff and kill yourself. You know.
No, of course.
Yeah, there's a trail up here. It goes down and.
Thank you, thank you. You're just clearing this up a little bit?
Well, I thought this is about the worst bloop and one of the worst pieces of trail in the corridor, so this is where you start.
All right, well, thank you so much. Thank you for all your hard work.
Enjoy the corridor.
All right, thank you. We will. Thank you so much. All right, we're checking out the Gold Beach over here in Oregon. It's so cool. I'm really putting these mics to the test right now because it's very windy. Hi, baby. We're finally putting these DJI mics to the test right now, the wireless mics, and we're going to see how well the audio picks up.
Can you hear me?
I don't know.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? Sarah lost the other one of these, so I'm almost 100% sure if we don't have this little wind guard, it's gonna sound horrible. Looks like Mike's over here talking to someone. But once you see this big rock, there's tons of free parking right here, right on the side of 101. And then you just walk down here and you can follow the trail right to the beach. Be the describer of this place now. Go on, baby.
It's beautiful. Walking in some sand in my big old boots. Ooh, there's a cave. Let's go. Whoa. I could make it a cave.
Oh my god. Well, just be careful. I mean, no, that's like a legit window.
I know, there was. And I was sketched because all these rocks look sketchy.
Yeah, look how sketchy.
I don't know if it's on the
Maybe on the other side. Because I know what you're talking about.
This is wet.
Feeding.
Whoa.
Alright, just a heads up that you do need a recreation pass required. So you have to go to the campground, but you go straight and you take a left on 101. You'll see the campground, you go there, you pay for the pass. We actually were not smart enough and didn't do that ourselves. So now we are passless and we're just trying to risk it for the biscuit because we're only going to be here for about 30 minutes. And then you walk down this way so this place is called the John Dellenbach Dunes Trail. Apparently it's only about a mile loop, mile and a half. So we start here at the trailhead, right here on this bridge. It's pretty cool. Start here on this bridge, we go around, we take this right, do a nice big loop around, come all the way back, come back here. We actually just drove down here and did a loop there. So we're gonna end up popping out of there and then going to the beach and coming back. Should be really cool, really beautiful. And look, we can even do this if we want to walk even further and go all the way down to the big dunes.
So what are we doing?
Look how gorgeous this is, huh? Look at that.
So cool.
Whoa. Whew. You recording me
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Oh, too much. Oh, too much.
Come here.
Oh, no.
Sneaky boy.
Make a whole thing.
Oh, you wearing a long sleeve in that?
Yeah, because it was how many degrees this morning?
We're in the desert.
So what I recommend is if you are doing this hike, do not take your shoes off until you do get to the dunes by the beach. Because as Sarah and Mark are finding out, that there are very sharp sticks and pine needles and pine cones and everything underneath their feet. And it hurts. Look at this view. Oh my God. This is so cool. I wish I had shorts.
Arabian day.
Arabian Nights.
Let's get over the sledge.
Oh my God. Ow, this kind of hurts. Look, what kind of hard sand trickery is this? Ow. Why is it so hard? It's like you can walk on it if your toes are flat, and then once you do a little divot, they sink in. Holy. Oh man, I don't think we're near the beach. Whoa. Whoa. Well, let's all take a little break. Mark was not built for that. Whoa! It's so windy! Woo! Isn't this crazy? These mics are so awesome. Like, I'm pretty sure you can hear me crystal clear, even though it's windy as crap. As you can see, I'm gonna run up this hill. Let's go! Woo! Arabian Nights, Arabian Days. Woo! Oh, so crazy. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my God. All right, let's keep running and check out some more spots. Let's go.
So we're heading now down Thor's Well Trail. Just make sure you stay on the path. Some people don't, and it kills the vegetation. Mark. But there are signs posted up, so you'll know. We're just walking down right now. It's so beautiful. Thor's Well is located right on the rocks down there. There is a way, sorry. There is a way to get down there. I'm not sure if we are gonna go all the way down, but okay. We're gonna definitely check it out, so there's Thor's Well. It's high tide right now. So what happens is the water shoots up. The water shoots up out of the well and then goes right back down. All right, we're gonna get closer. Whoa! Oh man. No, it's holes over there, baby.
No, look at this hole though. This is a cool hole.
Oh, is there another hole over there?
I didn't see it.
No.
It looked like it was like
Watch.
Oh my god.
Be careful, baby!
Here comes another big one. Here comes another.
Oh, watch out!
Here comes 5, 4.
Holy cow!
Here it comes. Here it comes. Careful, here it comes. Here it comes. Just be careful, baby. Oh! Be careful. Oh! Here's a big wave. Here it comes. There it is. That's what we're looking for. Yeah! Whoa! 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 We're good! Oh! We're walking all the way down here. Me and Mark did this 2 years ago. I'm gonna throw up some footage of that because I do believe I still have it. But we're walking down that trail all the way to that tip, and it's beautiful. It really is. There's stuff down there, of course. People like to litter. We'll have to clean that up. Are you ready, babe? I'm excited. We're only an hour and a half from your parents' house, not even. So we can definitely always come back here, which is cool because this spot's awesome. Okay then. That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Check out the seabed.
Well, alright, let's see this work.
Wow. Alright, be careful. This is the way we went. I feel like that other way would have been. The way I went was a lot easier.
I love you guys if I die.
No, you're not gonna die. Be careful. The other way would have been a lot easier, though. I don't think I'll ever forget this moment. This hike was a little treacherous, but just the journey to get here and the whole day we spent together was so well worth it. For me, Sarah isn't just my girlfriend or my fiance. She's my best friend. And she truly makes me the happiest man in the world. And I'm so glad that I can now call her my fiance. Well, that I can call her my fiance soon. You're doing all this for me?